Daily Meditations from Richard Rohr. A different kind of knowing. The essential religious experience is that you are being known through more than knowing anything in particular yourself. Yet despite this difference, it will feel like true knowing. This new way of knowing can be called contemplation, non-dualistic thinking, or third eye seeing. Such prayer, such seeing takes away your anxiety about figuring it all out fully for yourself or needing to be right about your formulation. Thomas Aquinas called this natural knowledge, and John Duns Scotus called it intuitive cognition. It is a more integrated knowing than mere reason alone. With this access point, God becomes more a verb than a noun, more a process than a conclusion, more an experience than a dogma, more a personal relationship than an idea. There is someone dancing with you, and you no longer need to prove to anyone that you are right, nor are you afraid of making mistakes. Another word for it is faith. Prayer. Everything exposed to light itself becomes light. Ephesians 5:13. In prayer, we merely keep returning the divine gaze and we become its reflection, almost in spite of ourselves. 2 Corinthians 3:18. The word prayer has often been trivialized by making it into a way of getting what we want. But I use prayer as the umbrella word for any interior journeys or practices that allow us to experience faith, hope, and love within ourselves. It is not a technique for getting things, a pious exercise that somehow makes God happy, or a requirement for entry into heaven. It is much more like practicing heaven now.